All is well. My name is Mohammed Hamza. You can call me Mo. So this video is about how you can build the website, AI powered based website in 2026 with the help of any AI engines like the Claude, like the GPT, DeepSeek, maybe the Google Gemini and the other platform as well. So here is the perfect example. Like if you can see here on my screen, MedicalCoding.Online. So this website or the SaaS project that is completely delivered with the help of AI. So if you can see here, we have a disclaimer that is, for reference only. AI generated codes are reference only. Verify with the qualified medical coder before billing the submission. So basically, this website can generate your clinical codes that you can use for the billing. So whatever, if you want to test just a real quick, we need to just simply click on a CPT lookup. So it will generate the example for for the reference. So let me just quickly generate the code up here. So meanwhile, I will show you the other pages as well. So this website is really fast, built with the next.js, deployed on GitHub, and GitHub is connected with the Vercel. So for let me just show you. Yeah, you can generate the response like in a multiple number of seconds. This is too much fast. And you can also compare these codes with the real codes. There are multiple bunch of websites there. We also adding these medical codes in our in this website as well. So you can download the PDF, you can copy the course from over there, so it will be automatically copy the relevant course, and you can also download the CSV file as well. So website is built really clean, everything is so far, all guides up there, blogs are up there. Right now it's only the 3 blogs right now, but you can see the speed of the website is really impressive. It's too much fast as compared to the WordPress industry. Since we are working the WordPress since like 8 years now, but right now we are completely shifting into the Next.js and the React as well, due to these kind of the amazing features. So how you can build this kind of this SaaS project, that's the number one question. So currently, if you can see here in my screen, that's a website part. So this website is deployed on a Vercel. If you can see here, these are the recent deployments that I do on a Vercel, and the main thing is that this is my Vercel Visual Studio that we are using for the writing the codes, and this thing is connected with the Claude code. There are multiple bunch of videos where you can see how you can connect the Visual Studio with the Claude code. Super easy. Just you need to download the extension and enter and authorize like in the from the Claude profile. I will in the next video I will guide you how you can start this SaaS project with the tool that I'm using right now. It's a really easy. It's just it will just take a couple of time when you can set up this thing. Entirely easy thing. It's not big deal. If you can see here, we have the Claude MD file up there. Everything is mentioned up there. We have project.md file here. It's just for the Claude, so it will save burning the tokens. It will save a time where you can it's very easy. You can talk with the Claude to generate these files. If you have these the files, MD files, they are really helpful for the Claudes. So first thing, after complete building this the entire project, we first of all deploy on GitHub. Right now in a 2026, you can directly connect Vercel with your Visual Studio, and Claude can deploy any kind of the changes directly on a Vercel with the tokens. In next video I will guide these kind of the things as well, so just stay tuned. So if you can see here, that's our Git profile. So everything is up there. Like we launched this website like 2 weeks ago, I think, maybe, yeah, 2 weeks ago. So, and whenever you are doing something changes from your Visual Studio, and you just simply hit the command to the Claude, just simply push on a GitHub, and then it automatically detect on a Vercel. Super easy. Let me just show you the real example. So right now I'm on my screen. So I think so we need to change something. I don't want to mess anything, but we just simply want to add one more FAQ. We just need to simply tell the Claude, hey, And can you please add more one FAQ in homepage? So it will, just search the thing, and it will automatically generate FAQ for you right up here, and hopefully it will not ask about the GitHub permission, since we already connect this thing to the if you can see here, these are all the files that Claude is reading. Most of the time, some of the users, they are complaining like Claude is burning so many tokens right now. So that's the reason, because I just gave the empty prompt to to Claude. Just add the one FAQ in the home field. If I mention this page.txt and this FAQ file, the components, it automatically search the specific file and generate the response. So in that way, the tokens consumption work way less. So if you can see here, how long does it take to generate codes? So that's the FAQ that Claude generate for us. And if you can see here on a GitHub file, I just simply do the refresh here. So in that way you can see, I don't think so it's pushed on a Git. We need to ask, yep, up here, can you please push to Git? Yep, that's it. We just need to allow, since every time whenever you are pushing something from Visual Studio to the Git, it will ask your permissions, because this thing is secure. Yeah, up here, git add.
10 seconds later.
Yep, page complete. Yeah, if you can see here, that's a real thing we change. Added FAQ explaining that code generation takes 3 to 30 seconds and describes what the AI does during process. So let's just push that. Let me just close this thing. So one file is changed, and git push allow commit to the remote repository. So it's already pushed. Let's go back to the up here. We just need to refresh here for we can see if you can see here, this thing like Claude already push this code to the GitHub. And let me just go to the Vercel, and I will just simply go to the deploy. If you can see here, this thing automatically just sync the change from from GitHub to the Vercel. So basically I like this setup. Obviously you can control the Vercel directly from your Visual Studio as well, but I like this thing. Whenever you have Vercel, has really kind of the beautiful thing is, if there is any kind of the mistake that AI made, your deployments will not going to be pushed until you fix those errors. Just like if you can see here, we have this error up here like in the past, so that deployment was cancelled right away. So if you can see here, our deployment is ready. So this is the deployment details. You can see here, you can see the logs. Yep, 69 is generated. So let me just go back to the FAQ. Let me go back here. Yep, if you can see here, so how does it take to generate the script? So it's edit the FAQ. It's real quick, real fast, without writing down anything. You just need to pass out the prompts. So that's how the AI is working in 2026, and it's really helping a lot to learn new things. And like in the next video, I will going to show you how you can set up this entire scenario. So in that way, AI will help you to generate website, apps, or anything like that. Hopefully you like this video. Bye bye.